In Practical 5, I focused on sensory analysis of cake using a hedonic scale to evaluate attributes like appearance, taste, and texture. This hands-on experience helped me understand how small changes in ingredients or preparation can significantly impact consumer preference. Reflecting on this, I realized how essential sensory analysis is in this food product development, ensuring products align with consumer expectations. This particular emphasizes the importance of combining scientific techniques with consumer insight to create appealing and successful food products.
In my opinion about Practical 5A, comparing marble cake and sponge cake helps to understand how different cake types affect preference and which might be more popular with a larger audience. These tests are important for companies creating new products or improving their recipes. The result can guide decision on which cake features to focus on for marketing or recipe changes. However, challenges like individual difference in taste, preference and perception of sweetness or texture can cause varied results. To make the test more reliable, it's important to reduce bias and ensure participants cleanse their palate between samples.
Good day everyone, my name is Emily Ramesh. Today I will be presenting a sensory evaluation comparing two marmalade jam, one local brand and one imported. The assessment focused on 5 basic sensory parameters: appearance, aroma, texture, taste and overall acceptability. Participants rate each jam on a scale from like very much to dislike very much. The local jam at a vibrant color and strong citric aroma, while the imported jam slightly paler but at a subtler fragrance. In terms of texture, the local jam was chunkier, whereas the imported one a smoother consistency. And taste-wise, the local jam was tangier, while the imported jam earned towards sweetness. Overall preference varied, but the imported jam was more flavored for its balanced sweetness, while the local jam stood out for its bold flavor. Its comparison highlight the diversity in consumer preference for marmalade. Thank you.
So in this sensory evaluation, we analyze two marmalade jams, a local brand and an import one. That is to understand their differences in flavour, texture and the overall appeal. Both jams were served on equal size piece of white bread to standardize the experience, and water was provided to cleanse the palate before and between samples for accurate testing. Through this activity, I learned how each sensory parameter, appearance, aroma, texture, taste and overall acceptability, that plays a critical role in consumer perception. It was interesting to see how personal preference varied among participants, enhancing the subjective nature of taste. This experience highlighted the importance of sensory testing in food product development, as it helps manufacturers understand consumer needs and refine their product to suit different markets.
The purpose of the ranking test was to assess preference for 4 different types of sausage, which is Italian, mushroom, cheese and black pepper. Using only flavors as a criteria, panelists were asked to rate the sample from 1 to 4, where 4 represent the most preferred and 1 the least. The sausage were boiled for 10 minutes, sliced and labeled to ensure consistency. In order to minimize bias and guarantee a neutral palate, panelists were instructed to rinse their mouth with water in between tasting. The findings demonstrate the wide range of personal preference with certain flavors. The main evaluation focus was on taste difference of sausage. I prefer the taste of black pepper because of its potent spice and scent. Overall, the test demonstrates the importance of standardization and participant engagement in sensory evaluation, offering valuable insight for improving and tailoring product to consumer preference.
In this experiment, the panelists is asked to taste and rank 4 different types of sausage, which is Italian, mushroom, cheese, and black pepper. The sausage were boiled for 10 minutes and cut into equal pieces to ensure consistency. Each sample was tasted in a particular order. However, every panelist have to start and between samples wash their mouth with water to prevent interference of the different tastes. Based on my preference, I rank the sausage, assigning 1 to my least favorite and 4 to my favorite. This process made the panelists being aware of how different ingredients and flavors affect their liking of food. For instance, I noticed that I preferred the black pepper sausage for its unique taste and texture, while the Italian sausage was my least favorite due to its strong seasoning. Furthermore, the process of rinsing mouth between tastings highlighted the importance of control conditions in sensory evaluations. This ensured that the taste of one sausage did not influence my next. So, in conclusion, the information that I gained during this experiment is the preference in taste and the necessity of systematic approach to the distinction of the taste.